On tonight's episode.
Oh, for God's sake. Well, as you saw, the day was going all right, and then this happened. Look, it was going all right then. Look who appeared.
Oh!
She ain't changed, has she? She's not changed at all. Terry, I think you've met your match.
Behave yourself.
Got to go on this step a minute because it's blooming heavy. Cheers, mate.
Fence.
Paul, it continues. I've got a track control arm now off a car. Well, actually, that's big and it could be off a truck. Bit of solid bar. And a bit of cast iron guttering. God's sake.
Want some milk?
Nah, got it now. Just getting it out the dirt. I'm alright. I got one of them. Now, I ain't sure what one of them is, but I don't know, one of those. And a fishing chair. More guttering. Why is there a hand in me bucket? I think somebody's lost a hand and a finger.
Do you remember that one time?
Yeah.
I had to. I thought you needed a helping hand. And then all... Ooh, what's this? Oh, is it just... It's like the top of the gate.
I've got a Stanley knife now. Remains of a road sign. Got them trees to contend with. And after all that, it came off just down here. Oh, another spear. No, it's gone under the stone at the edge here.
Got it.
Yeah, leave it on floor, show that in a minute. Just going to try and drag this sideways so it comes out from under that stone.
See if I can catch onto it.
It's quite long, it's just, it's gone under the stones.
Right, what the hell is that?
Some sort of poster.
There you go. Okay.
I've got a post. I'm done.
That you done for the day?
Yeah.
I'm knackered just watching it. You got soaked.
I've got another spear. It's my second one today. And a spoon.
I want to know what that... Oh, yeah. I thought it'd be a pitchfork. Perfect. Here we go.
Bit of rod.
Yeah, he's tall as me. No, the back of the houses. It'd be deadly fish in there.
Yeah, got a few quid for that.
Yeah, definitely. Got to be at least a mil.
Bit cast iron guttering. A baiter. And a spring. Managed for an old bike seat. Don't look very comfortable now. Oh, for God's sake.
Might have to drop that big thing off the bush. Yep.
All these ones you keep finding. What you got, Paul?
I've gone and done it again. There we go.
I didn't think you liked pineapple.
I don't. These ones are a bit different, but
He
look.
loves pineapple.
There we
I
go.
don't think I want to chew that one. Oh, it's a rifle one. Look at the base. It's the one where the pole screws in.
Oh,
It's a rifle grenade.
I haven't got one of them either, but I can't have this one.
You broke the stick.
Oh dear.
Get it in a bucket. Naughty boy. I've got a pedal. I've got a packet of D-cell batteries. Just a random lump. Another bit of cast iron guttering. And a bit of a shin breaker pedal.
Oh, it fell. They're about
That's a welding clamp.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ah.
Solid bit of bar. That's an earth clamp off a welder. And that's a bit of pipe.
Which we're going to go and do a scrap run. Out there, it's going to get stuck in it.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
Right. So. I've got another spoon. We can all guess what that's been used for. there's lots of stones out there.
Yeah, there is.
Don't worry, don't. Just two.
Brake lever off a bike.
No worries.
Threaded rod. Bits of a bike seat. Hello, Paul.
Hello.
What you got?
I've got a really old bike frame, well, part of it, with the front forks,
That's old.
to go with my front forks.
Was it a tandem?
Well, if it was a side-by-side. It's like one of those ones you used to get at Butlins, isn't it?
He's back.
Definitely a theme going on. I've got a bit of a frame of the bike. Let's go with another bit of frame of the bike.
You should do a restoration on that.
Oh.
That ain't coming in the bed.
He's back again.
I've got a boat hook. That's a weird one.
They come in all shapes and sizes, don't they?
I've got another bit of frame.
Sort of like your bike frame.
Yeah, it's coming out in a kit form. And I've got a rod rest.
There's some really bad fishermen round here, aren't there? He's back.
Back again. I've got a fence pin.
A very wonky fence.
That one goes round corners.
Door moulding up a car. Look, it's got the cut on the edge.
Oh yeah, more car related bits. I want a very bent square. Oh. And I've got that.
I'm definitely having a spoony day. That's my third one now. That's off a pushchair. That's a dredge tie.
And that's a sign that needs a whack.
Oh, he's got writing on it.
Yeah.
There's a bottle of fake tan in there as well. Down there.
And that's just a bracket.
There we go. This is clean, I think, where I am now. I'm not getting much.
Look your way.
Yeah.
Any old river? Do you need to have fish?
It's the centre of a pram wheel.
No. You okay?
Rod rest. Oh, gutter in. Yeah. More cast iron guttering. But when you come on the Thames, there's so many of them.
Yeah.
Desperately wanted a square now.
Oh, that's unusual. I've got the little caliper and the cable and the lever for some brakes off a bike. Something very rotten. See how all the metal's all falling apart. There we go. Come and introduce yourself then.
Hi, I'm Tina. I'm from Staines, and I'm just coming to see what's going on.
You want to shout anyone out?
Just the Staines crew.
So there we go. We'll give her a sticker like we always do, and then she can go away happy.
I'm gonna go away very happy.
Paul got some keys. One's a safe key, and there's a gas meter key, and he got a bar and a square nail. I think it's probably a mooring pin.
It does look like a mooring pin, yeah.
I've got a rifle. It's a kid's one.
Oh.
one of them toy ones.
There we
See,
go.
that would have gone up like that. So not much left of it.
No.
As you see, it's proper rotten. That's an old kid's toy.
There you go. Better out than in.
That's an old ignition barrel. Let's see where the key goes in. Wires out the back. Oh. I've got another mooring pin. Looks like it's been made out of a drive shaft. It's an half shaft. Bit of rod. Just random. Ow. Bits.
Yeah, random bits.
Yeah. That's a drill bit.
Oh, is it?
You see the twist just there.
Oh, yes. So where the lights on here, I'm finding it hard to...
And a railway track clip.
Can we get the tip round here, Roll? Got Nigel? Something a bit bigger than he had. Hi, Super. Oh, it's Mr. Ben's right here.
That is a brake lever bar from a vehicle. There's the foot pedal.
Oh.
That would have gone to a remote one as well, to a remote C, but probably a tractor or something.
Yeah.
And then that would have done the brakes. So
Let's take the rest
it's
out.
proper old.
Thanks, Suzanne.
It's got a grease nipple on it.
Hang on, this way. Looks like it's got some we'll wait for it.
Oh. More the weed.
We've had loads out here today.
Ah! Shit.
Oh, did that hurt? Was that your fingers?
Yeah, I've got loads of them. Bit of angle on.
Losing one way there then.
Just press end.
Good Lord.
And just a bit of bar. Hang on. We'll make it a bit shorter. There we go. Bit of bar.
Yeah.
That's part of a coat hanger. That's a bit random. I don't know what that is, but and some more of the coat hanger. And here's a blast from the past. Ali Jesus. Oh dear. Well, at least your coat's waterproof. How you doing, Ben?
Yeah, I'm doing good, mate. I'm doing good.
Nice outfit.
Yeah,
Definitely
no,
the area for
I
it.
thought it'd be,
You want to
great
fit in?
out for Staines. You know, Staines massive. Booyakasha. Booyakasha.
He ain't changed. I ain't seen him for a while. He's still Ben.
I thought I'd turn up with a bang. How you doing?
I hope that necklace ain't magnetic. You might lose it.
What's magnetic?
Your necklace.
Oh, this. Oh, my bling. This is my bling, mate. My bling. My bling.
Good to see you, Ben.
Yeah, no. Kushki.
Everyone's saying hello to Ben and Scott. Keep me the boys He's going to kill me.
I thought all of these ones were dogs.
No, he's got some.
That is a seg. You should go in the boots. Like you used to have the hobnail boot. That's just the seg. You see the nail just there for it. So yeah, make your shoes last a bit longer. That's the handle off an old skillet. Quite a heavy duty one. You can see hand forging end on it, on the hole. That would have gone on like the skillet, like a frying pan. I mean, that weighs a bit, so you can imagine what the whole thing weighed like. Oh, look at the state of that.
Alright, hang on. Look at that. There is a lot of bits in there.
Screws and
You bet you
nails
ain't
and
got your bucket either,
bolts.
have
No, I'll put them in a pile down there, be
That's what
bigger.
I done.
Bracket, coat hanger hook, cranking handle, brass on it as you can see, flange ring and a knife. A hook, a bit of tube, a key, a negative battery terminal and barrel strapping. Bit of pole, bit of rod and some angle on. Bit of an horseshoe, a bracket, a mooring pin, another knife, and the remains of the kid's rifle. Not much of that one left. That's proper gone. See me brake lever. A remote rod, isn't it? And this I found on the live. That's a pedal. So I think that's a remote brake lever. So that would have gone like that. And that would have gone to the brake servo. It's big and chunky. It's off a tractor. I don't want the rest of it. Paul got a little boat hook. It's a short one, Paul. And big lump of something. One of them and one of them. Shelf bracket, angle iron. Oh, this looks like them things we were finding that time.
Then that's a drain pipe, but it's just a very, very thin and flimsy one.
A cheap drain pipe. Bit of pipe.
There's a surprise for me.
Out the way of the cat.
His bulletproof vest. It did him well.
I've only got certain now.
Bit of bracket. A thing. And a fishing reel. These are all Paul signs, by the way. Random assortment of junk. He's got his stabby. The blade don't get you, the rust will. And a pole. And a key. And another pole. His bag.
These are Terry's finds, but she's found some of that cheap drain pipe and a bit of tube.
And a pipe and a pole.
I'm just leaking. Did you ever find anything interesting?
A hinge. A ringy thing. Pliers. Padlock. A file. That was a screwdriver. You can see a little bit of the metal on the plastic on the end, and a spike. Considering how many times we've done this, look at it. Still so much stuff here.